Hi, good evening. Today we're going to be going over TEAC 3.7c. Determine the solutions to problems involving addition and subtraction of time intervals in minutes using pictorial models or tools such as a 15-minute event plus a 30-minute event equals 45 minutes. Okay, so we're going to be going over elapsed time. Our problem is Catalina is driving to California. She leaves at 4:45. She arrives at 9:15. How long did she drive? Okay, so where the numbers that we're going to be looking at is 4:45 and 9:15. One way to do this is we can do a number line. So we draw the line. Our starting time is going to be right here. It's going to be 4:45 a.m. Our end time is 9:15, and that's going to be over here, 9:15 p.m. Oh, excuse me, 4:45. Okay, so 4:45. To get to the next hour, we know that we're gonna need 15 minutes, right? And that's gonna put us at 5 o'clock. Okay. And then from 5 o'clock to the next 5 o'clock, we're gonna jump a whole 12 hours. And then we're going to be, so this is 5 o'clock a.m. and this is going to be 5 o'clock p.m. And then we're going to jump. But before we can stop there and come back to the 9:15 mark. So to get to 9, we'll have to go back 15, and that'll put us at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock p.m. And then from 5 to 9 is 4 hours. So we count, so this was minutes. So we count our minutes, 15 and 15 is 30 minutes. 12 and 4 is 16 hours. So she drove a total of 16 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, and then another way that we can look at it is using the 6C approach, and we make a chart. Hour, minutes, and what is happening, because this is going to be important. So 4:45. So 4:45, and that is a.m. and that is the start. Okay, and then to get to 5, we know to get to the next hour, which will be 5 o'clock, we're going to have to add 15 minutes. So then that'll bring us to 5 o'clock. Okay? And then to get to 12 o'clock, noon, because then that's when it turns to p.m., we're going to add 7. Then from 12 to 9, because 9 is going to be the hour that she arrives, is 9 p.m. and that's going to be 9 hours, right? And then from 9 to 9:15 is going to be plus, let me put a plus here because that was an add-in too. So plus 15 minutes leaves us at 9:15 p.m. So we have 4:45 start, 9:15 finish, and then we would look at, count the minutes. So minutes is 15, that's 30 minutes. Hours is 7 plus 9, that's 16 hours. So again, we got the 16 hours and 30 minutes. So we can also do it looking at using an analog clock, right? So our starting time was 4:45. So 4:45, we're at 4:45, and we know that with 15 minutes will take us to the next hour. So 5, 10, 15, and that's 60. So we're at 5 o'clock. So then whenever we move the big hand all around 1 is 60 minutes. It's 1 hour. A common misconception that kids have is they confuse the minute hand with the hour hand. So to get to 9:15, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is still in AM. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're at 9 o'clock with 16, but she arrived at 9:15. So 5, 10, 15, 9:15. I also want to point out that major misconception why children have a challenge with time is a non-base 10 measure. In base 10, where smaller units in grouping of 10 make larger units. Example, 10 ones equals 110, 10 tens equals 100, 10 hundreds make 1,000. And with time, we don't use that. We use like the 5, 15, 45, 60.